So we just woke up from our naps, because we're old people now apparently, and we're heading to the cable car to go catch some really cool shots and views of Madrid. That's right. With time to spare.
I know, that wasn't actually that bad of a walk. The walk here was really, really pretty. You can go through a park. You don't even have to stay on the street, even though the buildings are just as pretty as the park is. So. We're on our way.
Some of the best shots in Madrid coming up. Maybe. If we get to go. We thought we were going.
We thought, yeah. Alright.
On your mark.
We're about to go.
Get set.
It's coming. Okay, here we go.
Comes out and gets you.
Ah, there it is.
It's like a freaking roller coaster.
de Madrid, which I think means like a rose garden. And we explored for a bit, and now we're gonna go try to find the neighborhood of Malasaña.
Yes.
Get some food, and then
coffee,
but then churros. I'm not really clear on the history, but it's supposed to be one of the best. So we're about to get some churros and some chocolate and stuff our faces. Let's go.
This is about to be some good stuff.
Definitely got here just in time because now it's packed. And I thought they were good. I think 2 people could definitely share one order.
Yes, we had a mount of churros.
And 2 full cups of literally melted chocolate.
Yes, the chocolate is amazing. Churros are churros.
Yeah,
But
we didn't have cinnamon sugar on them, which I was expecting.
see any empanadas, which I think I just laid eyes on them.
What am I gonna do? And I wouldn't know. I'm just kidding. Those empanadas.
And churros.
I don't understand this song.
Home for the evening.
Alright, we're gonna call it for the day. End of day 1. And tomorrow we are headed to Segovia.
See the aqueducts. I don't know why I'm so excited about the aqueducts, but I am.
Aqueducts. We're on our way back. Oh my gosh, all these are sitting.
Well, that was blooper content. My hair is really going for it right now.
Look at Mama. Look at this. It looks like it's about to attack you. It does.
Crank Arm. That's what that reminds me of, Crank Arm Brewery.
Oh yeah. Some tall hair.
That's what I'm saying, and it shouldn't be that tall.
You need to fluff up the back some.
Well, sunglasses are holding it down.
Okay, tell me where to point.
Right, go up, over, that way, down, down, right there.
It's like roast beef.